going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be unboxing the all-new iPhone 14 Plus. Honestly, I have no clue what this phone even looks like. I just know that my brother got it for me and it is sitting in my room. So it's gonna be like a first look and we're just gonna improvise, I guess, because I have not watched any videos or anything on this. So if I do say something wrong, just correct me in the comments because I probably have no clue what I'm talking about today, besides the fact that I know what I know. So this is the iPhone 14 Plus. This is the box. It is a pretty big box. It's about the size of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I did also unbox the iPhone 14 Pro as well as the iPhone 14 Pro Max, so if you do want to check that out, the video will be out soon. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be posting this before the other ones, so just go ahead and check on my channel and then you'll see if I have uploaded it yet, or on the phone on the box. So that's the color that it will be. On the right side it says iPhone in a holographic Starlight color, so this is what the color of the phone is most likely going to be like, and because I'm assuming because that's what the iPhone 14 Pro was like and all the recent iPhones. So left side, once again, iPhone, holographic. Top as well as the bottom of the box are also holographic and they have the Apple logo on it. And then I don't know what this little thing is. I think my brother did that or Apple did that, but it's okay. We got that off. Flipping to the back of the box, it says iPhone 14 Plus, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. It says what it includes in the box, so iPhone 14 Plus, and the USB-C to Lightning cable, but like always, power adapter and headphones are sold separately. And this phone supports GSM, UMTS, LTE, and 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and everything else that it says on here. There's a lot, so I'm most likely not going to read all of that. So if you do want to read that, go ahead and pause the video and you can read it. And then on the bottom here, it says iPhone 14 Plus, Starlight, and the 128 gigabytes. Now let's go ahead and open the box and see what the phone looks like. To be completely honest with you guys, I have the iPhone 14 Pro in the purple color. I just really wish that it was a glossy finish rather than a frosty finish, because the iPhone 14 Pro and the Pro Maxes have that frosty back instead of the glass, and I really prefer the glass more than the frosty finish. I don't know. It gives a more richer aspect. I don't know. But I do have a clear case on, so it does look glossy and it does not look frosty. So keep that in mind if you do want your phone to look glossy. If you do have the iPhone 14 Pro or the Pro Max, go ahead and put on a clear case and it'll be glossy, especially the fact that the camera part is glossy on the iPhone 14 Pro and the Pro Max. It's just the back of the phone that's not frosty, but the camera part is, so any case you put on, it'll look like it's a glossy finish. I do think that the camera is, I don't know, a little bit weird with the size of the phone because I'm so used to the camera being like so much bigger on the phone. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put this phone aside and get to what's inside the box. I know I already said what's in the box as it said on the back of the box, but we have it designed by Apple in California. We have the SIM card tool, some instructions. Oh yeah, I was gonna be like, aren't there two sets of instructions in different languages? And yeah, there are. I got confused for a second. And then the Apple logo, only one, unfortunately only one, unlike the older iPhones that had the adapter, they had the headphones, they had two Apple stickers, but unfortunately we only get one. And it's on a parchment paper, and I'm just gonna put this back. Then on the bottom here we have our USB-C to Lightning cable. So Lightning to USB-C. Let's move this aside. So on the front we have the screen protector, which we cannot use the phone with because it's white and you can't see the screen. Fortunately, we have to take it off and install our own screen protector, even though where before for the older iPhones, I'm pretty sure there was a screen protector on the front that went to the back and you would just like cut this part and then get rid of the back so that you could have that screen protector until you purchased one, which I thought was a better idea than this, but I guess again, environmental friendly. It's not plastic, I think. I have no clue. Comment down below why you guys think they don't do that anymore. Basically on here it has some symbols, so plus, minus symbol, a bell with a dash through it, a power symbol, and a lightning symbol. And this basically guides you from what button, what switch means what. I'm pretty sure there was eSIM for the US iPhones, and there was no SIM card tray, but I live in Canada, and we have the SIM card tray still. I'm going to turn the phone on while we talk about the phone. On the back of the phone, we have our 2 cameras, our flash, our microphone, Apple logo. The one thing that I don't like about the back being glossy is that every fingerprint is seen under light. So if you focus, you can definitely see it, while on the frosty finish, it's a little bit harder to see. On the left side of the phone, we have an antenna band, we have the silence switch, up and the down volume buttons, the SIM card tray, another antenna band. On the bottom, we have some speaker, microphones, some screws that we can take out to look inside the phone, I think. And then we have a lightning port as well as another antenna here. The right side, another antenna, the power button, and then on the top, one more antenna. On the front, we have our camera, speaker, sensors, and we have our Face ID. So now let's go ahead and set up this phone. English, select your country or region, Canada. Quick start, set up manually. I have no clue what our Wi-Fi network is or the password, so I'll be right back. Okay, I went ahead and put the Wi-Fi in, and it said it may take a few minutes to load, but it only took a few seconds. So data and privacy, continue. Face ID, I'm going to set that up later. A password, I'll do 6 ones. Don't use that password because it's easily guessed, as Apple also mentions. I'm just using this for the sake of this video. I'm definitely going to change it after. Apps and data, I'm not going to transfer apps and data. Forgot or don't have Apple ID for Apple ID because I'm already using it, and I'm just going to finish this video and then set up whatever I need to set up. Set up later in settings. Don't use it for now. Terms and conditions, agree, otherwise you're not going to be able to use this phone. Keep your iPhone up to date, continue. iMessage and FaceTime, continue. Location services, I'm going to enable location services. Set up cellular, I'll set that up later in settings. So skip eSIM setup, you can set your eSIM later in cellular settings. The iPhone will not be able to make calls or connect to the internet with cellular data until your eSIM is set up. So skip. Siri, continue.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri. Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri. Hi, I'm Siri.
I like
Hi,
voice
I'm
number
Siri.
2.
Choose the voice.
Next. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Hey Siri, play some music. Hey Siri is ready. Ask Siri, press and hold the side button to talk to Siri anytime. Continue. Improve Siri and dictation, not now. Screen time, continue. iPhone analytics, don't share. Appearance, light or dark. I like dark, but for the sake of the color of this phone, I feel like light would go with the theme. So, continue. Display zoom, I usually go with standard. Continue. Emergency SOS. A great thing about this device is that there's emergency SOS, which means when you're in mountains, when there's no data, service, anything like that, you will still be able to contact emergency. Welcome to iPhone, swipe up to get started. And unfortunately, this phone does not have the always-on display, and it does not have the dynamic island. I do prefer the dynamic island, and I do prefer the always-on display. Especially when I have my wallpaper, I have it with me and my fiance, and I just like it a lot because I can always see the picture without turning my phone on, which is why I definitely prefer the iPhone 14 Pro much more than the iPhone 14 Plus. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!